Happy Pride! This is your Kuya Rai and we are here at the Ayala Malls Feliz to witness another special event made to us by the Thai Entertainment Philippines. This is the Thai BL Fest 3 and this is JM Entertainment Exclusives. So for today's event, the fans have prepared a lot of activities from different fandoms. So they have merchandises, they have photo cards, they have games later on. Actually right now it's already ongoing. They have also invited some of the performers who's gonna be performing later on. And yeah, we were actually inviting na if there will be another event pa in the future. For sure there will be. Knowing Thai Entertainment Philippines, they will once again make another type or make this kind of event in the future, because as we can see there's a lot of fans or BL fans right now dito sa Ayala Malls Feliz. So later on iikot namin kayo sa mga booth kung ano yung mga prepare ng mga fans, and for us to to check out as well yung mga merchandises nila. Here's your Kuya Rai once again, and this is JM Entertainment Exclusives. We are here now with Kyle and Joreen, and actually we saw them sa TT4 na booth. So, is TT4 your main or nakita lang namin kayo doon?
Yes!
Main! Wow. So main pala nila yon. So, prior is TT4 your, kumbaga parang sila ba yung unang-una talaga na BL na in-stand ninyo, na you made feel na okay, magsa-stand ako ng BL?
No.
So
for me, no.
like, first one?
Bright Wind.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. What about you?
Ako rin po dito first time. Earth Mix ako before, pero right now current ko ay TT4.
Or talaga? Wow. Yeah, I think they have they have an not ongoing pero parang they will have another series, no? Na 2027. So we're actually looking forward to that, because I myself also have watched the Duwang with You and it was really good. Ayan, and okay, so since na-open up naman na rin about the BL in general, who is your top 3 na lang na BL? Not actor, right? It should be a couple or a BL couple.
Earth Mix, First Cow, and TT4.
Oh, First Cow din pala siya. Ayan. Actually, we saw First Cow in person na sa Thailand last year. Yan. And what about you?
Oh my God, yung isa lubog na, Winnie Satang, Earth Mix, tsaka TT4.
Diba? Malay mo naman, may mga lumulubog na lumilitaw din diba? Malay natin. Ayan. So, okay. So, last question would be, sa mga non-BL fans, ano sa tingin ninyo yung pwede ninyong like sabihin para maging BL fans sila or maging open-minded sila about it?
Watch Duwang with You.
Actually, para siyang sobrang safe niya as a first timer na magwa-watch ka. Ayan, what about you?
Ako naman po, for non-BL watchers, since it's Pride Month, let's be more open na po for accepting queer dramas and BL dramas or GL dramas in general, kasi wala rin naman siya pinakaiba sa mga hetero dramas, diba? So, magaganda mga storylines sa mga Thai dramas. Yun lang.
Yes, exactly. And what I like about Thai BL, they're very ang tawag nito, they're very diverse, no? And yung equality talaga ng Thailand as a whole country. So ayan, so thank you once again Kyle and Joreen. So ayan, we'll ask another fans. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is your Kuya Rai once again, and I am here with
The stages are playground. Hello po. We're playground.
Ayan. So, they are actually Dex cover group. And we have few questions for you guys. Number one would be, bakit or what made you decide to create a group or a cover group? So, who wants to answer?
Okay po. To answer that question, some of us po kasi is Tipa fans and BL fans as well. And that time, we were planning to cover a different group first. Pero since almost all of our members is na-hook sa Duwang With You, and halata naman, na-hook sa Duwang With You, and yan, we decided to cover Dex, and thankfully, Dex Philippines actually reached out to us na mag-perform last event nila, which is for the Dex anniversary, and we performed there as the Dex cover group of the Philippines.
Yan. So, good luck to you guys, and I hope na marami pang mga invitation, no? Para i-show yung talent ninyo. Mamaya makikita natin yung performance nyo ba? Magpa-perform ba kayo? Akala ko magpa-perform sila, makikita sana natin. Sa ano? Ayan, so I hope to see them performing no very soon. Right? And again, good luck to you guys. Sige, one last question. Ito para sa bawat isa. So who is your top 3? May controversial ba yung question? Sino yung top 3 na BL
Couples or
yeah, it could be a couple, it could be an actor. So, ayan, top 3.
Ikaw muna ang group eh.
Sige, so actually may top 5 ako. Pero kung top 3, sige, yung top 3 ko ngayon is syempre Titi4. Pangalawa, Sikin. Pangatlo, Gem4. Let's go!
Super hirap ng question. Pwede bang pass? So, as of the moment po, halata nyo naman. Yes, Titi4. Then, yung second ko po is William S. William S po talaga, yes. And syempre yung third ko is my parents, Earth Mix. Earth Mix po. Yes.
Sa sobrang tagal ko ng BL fan, nahirapan din ako eh.
Ang hirap, no?
Ang hirap?
Hindi ko nasabi sila ano eh.
Okay, for first, number 1 ko ngayon talaga is Titi4. And for the second ko, still Tainyu. Tainyu talaga.
Hindi talaga tayo.
Luma eh. And siguro ang third ko, Usay. Usay. Yan, admins din po ng dalawang which is Titi4 and Usay.
Ayun. Okay, sige. Last na to. Actually, we saw William S. in person sa Thailand and Gemini. Hindi wala si Fort doon eh, no? Lang sila, nag-aangkas lang sila. But we went to a mall, nandun yung William S. Doon namin sila nakita. Like as in ganito yung face, ganyan. Oo. Ayan, like for real. Sobrang surreal nung mga mukha nila. 'Di ba? Wala silang pore. So, ayun. Anyways, eto na. Since it's Pride Month, ano yung message ninyo sa mga katulad natin or ka-member natin na nasa LGBTQIA+ community?
Yes, actually, so I heard this parang think piece sa Facebook. Actually, as much as we value love is love, yes, but also I think it's also time for us to have more focus sa more pressing issues din sa community. Like, let's say, for example, yung urgency natin when it comes sa trans rights. Napaka-mainit ngayon ng usapin ng our trans women, mga ganyan. So, I think mas maganda na pag-uusapan natin itong mga ganito, and we hope to see more visibility and more power sa mga tao na napapaloob sa mga komunidad na ito. And ayun, so LGBT and marriage equality now!
Yes! Love, laban, sabi nga natin, di ba? Once again, happy Pride, and this is JM Entertainment Exclusives. Thank you, guys! Hello, fam! This is once again your Kuya Rai, and we are still here at the Ayala Malls Feliz to witness the Thai BL Fest 3 brought to us by the Thai Entertainment Philippines. And this is Gem Entertainment Exclusives. I am here with Chris. Ayan. So, Chris, you are a BL fan, of course.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so just a few questions to you. Number one would be, who is your top 3 BL? Could be couple, actor, and yung number 1 mo, bakit yun yung number 1 mo?
BL ships or BL actors?
Ship,
Ship.
actor.
Alright. Of course, my number 1, Jimmy C. That's where I'm at right now.
Kaya kayo nandito.
And number 2, I would say Earth Mix. Yes, of course, Earth Mix. And then third one, it's a tie. So my top 3 will be Ponpuin and Net JJ.
Okay. Wow, ayan. So thank you for that. Sige, ano yung favorite mo na Thai BL? It could be a series or it could be a movie.
Series-wise, Last Twilight. For movie, I don't have anything in mind. Pero for series, it's Last Twilight definitely.
Last Twilight. Ayan. And ang ganda rin kasi nung kanta nun, no? Sobrang ganda. Yeah, I actually am William Bias, kaya super fan ako ng voice niya. Okay, so second to the last question would be, ano yung, it could be a series or movie again, ano yung series or movie na nakapagpaisip sa'yo na, okay, gusto ko mag-stan ng BL?
Sotus, my very first BL series, Chrising to.
Wala ko na i-edad ba? Na-joke lang. Sotus.
Yes, Sotus. Era namin yun mga friends ko eh. So yeah, yun yung nagpasimula sa akin mag-start watching BL, not just in Thailand but Asian BL series. Yeah.
Alright. And for sure, for the last question naman, or not a question, what's your statement or ano yung masasabi mo para sa, of course, it's Pride Month, right? Ano yung masasabi mo sa mga kapwa or ally natin na LGBTQIA+ community?
Of course, it's still the same since 2016, back 2016. Love is love. Love is for everyone. It's not just for the straight couples or those who are experienced, but everyone who knows to love, they deserve to love.
Yes, love knows no gender.
Correct.
Ayan, love laban. Maraming salamat, Chris. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. I am here with
Hi, my name is
Jerry. Jelly.
Like as in jelly.
Jelly Ace. Okay, ayan. So we are here with Jelly. And nandito kami sa booth ng...
Look Make PH.
Yes. Ayan. Are you an admin here?
Yes po. I am as an event team from Look Make PH. So you can search us on social media, Look Make Philippines, and we have an X and IG account.
Ayan. So since nabanggit mo naman na yung booth ninyo, which is Look Mitch, bakit sila yung in-stand ninyo?
Actually, Look Make is very genuine person po. Nagustuhan po namin sila since naglabas sila ng series na Boys in Love. Super nakaka-relate kami doon kasi from their character po as high school, parang high school love story po kasi yung ano nila. So, yung feel, as a teenager po, parang ma-relate din po kami sa kwento ng story nila.
Wow, ayan. Sige, papahirapan ko yung question. Aside sa Look Mitch, which is your top 3 favorite? Could be a ship, it could be a couple, or an actor sa Thai BL?
First, syempre, Ubong.
Okay.
Yes, and second po, North Auto.
Okay.
Then third, Look Make na po talaga.
Wala na, yun lang.
Yes po.
Okay, sige.
Tatlo
Tatlo na nga lang eh. Joke lang. Okay, sige. Other than Look Mitch's BL series or BL movie, which is your favorite? Other than yung sa kanila ha?
Syempre, since top 1 ko yung Ubong, Off Low.
Oh.
Stream on. And
Nakaka-relate ka din doon?
hindi, pero syempre, since I really like Ubong, hindi lang yung pag-acting nila, hindi lang yung mga series nila, pati na rin yung talent nila. So, syempre, parang since favorite actors ko sila, nagugustuhan ko na din yung mga series nila.
Yan. Okay, so last question would be, since it's Pride Month, what is your message to our ally and to the entire LGBTQIA+ community?
Tatlo lang yung may iwan ko salita sa kanila. Be proud, be yourself, and be free.
Nakaiyak ako. Be proud,
Be yourself and
be yourself,
and be free.
and
Free.
be free.
Yes.
Wow,
Kasi
thank you
marami
so
sa
much.
atin mga LGBT communities is parang parang natatakot pa sila na ilabas yung sarili nila. So, I'm telling you this na be free. Huwag kayong matakot sa mga panghuhusga ng ibang tao kasi
Yes.
wala naman silang magagawang matino sa buhay natin.
Yes, but if you're not ready yet, 'di ba? Huwag ka din masyadong magpaka-pressure. Sabi mo nga, you can also be free, pero you can also, you know, time will tell,
Yeah.
'di ba? Kung ready ka na, then ready ka na, 'di ba? Ayun. Thank you so much. Ayan. So again, this is your Kuya Rai and this is JM Entertainment Exclusives. Thank you. Hello guys! Once again, this is your Kuya Rai and we are still here at the Ayala Malls Feliz to witness once again a Thai Entertainment Philippines event. This is Thai BL Fest 3. I am here with Luis, of course, hindi na bago.
Body cup.
Ayan, Luis, very quick lang. Alam kong busy ka. Ano yung sa tingin mong reason bakit sobrang dumami yung tao compared to the last event?
Siguro dahil mas dumadami na rin yung series, factor na mas nakikita natin sa mainstream media, yung iba't ibang series ngayon, even the local news natin dito, pinapublish ng artist, napakaraming articles, puno-puno social media ng actors, so mas na-engage natin yung mga fans. Kaya ngayon, mas nakikita natin yung engagement. At dumadami rin yung mga content creator.
Yes.
So naihahatid natin ang balita sa kapwa natin fans around the Philippines.
Yeah, thank you so much for that, Luis. And of course, isa kayo sa mga reasons kung bakit lumalawak din yung reach ng BL, 'di ba? Or ng mga BL fans. Yuri, JD, 'di ba? Our friend JD. And last question, or not a question, but since it's Pride Month, what is your message to our ally and of course to our co-LGBTQIA+ community?
Allies, thank you very much. And to my co-members of this community, hindi po matitigil ang laban natin sa panonood lang ng BL series. Lalabas po tayo sa lansangan, ipaghihigaan po natin hanggat hindi po natin nakukuha ang karapatan na meron ng Thailand at kinikilala ng saligang batas ang pagmamahala ng meron ng dalawang same gender. Happy Pride, everyone!
Happy Pride! Thank you once again, Luis. Maraming salamat as always. Kapun kap! Hello everyone, this is once again your Kuya Rai and we are still here at the Ayala Malls Feliz. And this event is brought to us by the Thai Entertainment Philippines. This is Thai BL Fest 3. We are here with
Si Julia!
Julian. Hi Julian. Ayan. So we only have few questions for you. Number one would be, which is your top 3? It could be a series, it could be a movie, or at a Thai BL or series movie.
For the third one, I super love Until We Meet Again.
Okay.
Kasi isa to sa pinaka magandang stories of all the genres na napanood ko. And then the second one will be Sotos.
So,
Very nostalgic and at the same time, ito yung mararanasan mo yung kung paano yung infatuation into serious relationship
Yes.
talaga. And for my top one will be My Golden Blood. Kasi it reminds me of Twilight. And it's a BL naman siya. So, syempre main ko Diyos gawin, wala kang magagawa.
Yes. Oh,
Anyways, kasi
okay.
wala, sentimental lang talaga since Diyos gawin yung So, My Golden Blood talaga.
Okay, sige. So, speaking of top 3, who is your top 3? It could be a ship, it could be a couple, or an actor.
For the third one, of course, sige, sabihin ko, yung dalawang top, yung 3 and 2 ko, that was my bias wrecker.
Okay.
And then yung top 1 will be my main ship. So, for my top 1, of course, Just Gawin because I super love them. Sobrang dominant yung dalawa eh.
Yeah.
So, parang it's a rare couple na makikita mo sa isang BL. For my first bias record would be Pon Puwin.
Okay.
Kasi same din sa Just Gawin kasi more on masculine side. So, yun kasi yung mga type of BL actors na gusto ko. So,
like-
sobrang men. And then super love din nung acting nila, especially sa Never Let Me Go. Super love. And then for the third one will be, oh my God, William S. So William S, I super love them also kasi especially William kasi sobrang dami kong interaction with him. Especially nagpupunta siya
After tayo kay William.
Yes. Sobrang cute ni William, guys. To tell you, sobrang acting niya and sobrang kulit niya sa mga fans. Totoo. Ayun.
Yeah, actually, we saw them in Thailand as well. Last year, si William S. Like, sobrang,
Yes.
ang unreal ng face,
Yes,
no?
totoo
Ang unreal
lang.
ng face nila. Ayan. So, okay, which movie or series, Thai movie or series, na naisip mo, like, nung napanood mo to, okay, I'll start stunning BL series or movie.
To be honest, I'm a Together baby.
Okay.
And I wasn't expecting na pero natigil kasi ako. And then nakapagpabalik sa akin is my school president.
Okay.
So may sentimental value din yun sa Gemini Fort sa akin kasi nga sila nakapagpabalik. But eventually, mas more invested ako nung napanood ko na yung My Golden Blonde. Tapos, I never collecting merches nung time na yon. Dahil lang sa Just Gawin. So, nagko-collect ko talaga, nagko-collect ako. Yun, parang more on investing at the same time. Ayan, I'm one of the admins of Just Gawin Philippines.
Wow, okay.
Yun, ganun kasi yung nadudulot nung panonood ng BL. Parang, hindi lang siya pang-aliw or parang sa sarili mo, pero yun, parang nakakatulong ka na sa community and at the same
Exactly.
time, parang nasa-serve mo yung interest mo, hindi lang siya, parang acts of service sa mga gusto mong actors. Ayun.
Yes, exactly. And it's more of like sharing the diversity and inclusivity.
Yes.
Diba? Especially sa atin dito sa Philippines, right? So speaking of inclusion and diversity, your last question would be, or not question, it's a message. Your message to our ally or the entire LGBTQIA+ community. What's your message since this is Pride Month?
Yan. First of all, happy Pride, guys.
Happy
Yes.
Pride.
Yes. Let's celebrate yung kung ano tayo, embrace natin yan kasi walang mali sa atin.
Yes.
Ang may mga mali, yung mga taong nanguhusga sa atin.
Yeah.
And of course, sa ating mga kaalay, ayan, never stop doing best at the same time, don't mind other people kasi hindi ka nila kilala. Mas kilala mo yung sarili mo at marami mas makakaintindi sa'yo na alam yung pinagdaanan mo at na-experience mo. Ayun lang. And, tara.
Yeah.
Ayun.
Love Laban.
Love
Yes.
Laban.
Happy Pride once again,
Happy Pride
Julian. This is once again your Kuya Rai and this is JM Entertainment Exclusives. Bye. Hello, fam. This is once again your Kuya Rai and this is JM Exclusives. And again, we are still here at the Ayala Malls Feliz to witness another special event brought to us by the Thai Entertainment Philippines, and this is the Thai BL Fest 3. I am here with, of course, hindi na bago sa paningin natin, no? Sa BL World. We're here with Yuri. Ayan, hi Yuri. Ayan.
naman ako sa mga-
Ayan, so algebra questions lang to, na charot. Ayan, so I only have few questions or we only have few questions to you. Hindi ko lang sure kung natanong na to sa'yo kasi since matagal ka na sa BL, di ba?
Okay.
Like 1980. Charot. Ayan,
Sana
so...
wag yung mga top 3, nahihirapan.
Ayan. So dahil yun yung sinabi mo, hindi ko dapat itatanong yun eh. Pero since nabanggit mo siya, so sige, para hindi ka mahirapan. Which is your top 3? Hindi ko pinagawa eh. Sige, top 3. Could be a series or movie. So top 3 series or movie. And yung number 1, explain mo bakit.
Okay. Top 3, give ko siguro sa Not Me.
Okay.
Number 2, The One With You. Kasi medyo may bias yung mga recent eh. Kasi
Oh,
fresh
yeah.
utak mo eh. Pero number 1, Dark Blue Kiss.
Oh, so bakit yun yung number 1?
Ay, sa Dark Blue Kiss kasi, parang gusto ko yung idea na ano. I don't know if napanood nyo na, pero if hindi pa, panoorin nyo. Yung dalawang character, like si Pete and Cow, pinapakita nila yung different lives, yung different life ng queer people. Like si Pete, ang character niya, mayaman, privilege, tanggap siya ng family niya. Tapos ikaw naman, kailangan nyo maging working student kasi hindi siya agad tanggap ng family niya. So parang maganda lang na we get to see different side ng queer people. Like hindi lahat masaya yung life, hindi lahat tanggap agad. Parang ganong idea. Tsaka yung pinaka-tumatak, tsaka yung pinakasikat na sinila dun sa swimming pool. Like parang sabi ni Kao, why do we need to prove more than the others? Dahil lang hindi tayo straight. Doon ako na ano na, parang growing up, pag badi ka, kailangan magaling ka sa school, kailangan nag-excel ka. Pero bakit yung ganong pressure hindi siya imposed sa mga straight people? Tama?
Ayun, 'di ba? Tama naman. So it actually, sa madaling salita, it shows the reality.
Yes.
'Di ba? It shows how challenging it is to be part of the LGBTQIA+ community.
Exactly.
Nakakaiyak. Ayan. So okay, sige. May nabanggit kang line eh. 'Di ba? May nabanggit kang line. So except for that line, ano pa yung isang line from a BL movie or a series na tumatak sa'yo?
Siguro yung recent, yung sa Ticket to Heaven.
Okay.
Yung
yeah.
I'm not God's favorite. Tas I'm not God's favorite either.
Diba?
Sobrang ganda lang.
Parang kakaiyak. Parang feeling ko, parang yung I am not God's favorite, parang lahat tayo nagsasabi nun.
Yes.
Especially we are under the different colors of our flag.
Tsaka ako kasi, parang 10 years ako nag-aral sa Catholic school. So parang lumaki ka na dapat sinusunod mo yung mga ano ni Lord para maging mabuti kanyang followers.
Yeah.
So nung naano ko yun sa series, okay lang pala, parang okay, kung ganito yung standard nyo ng anak ni God, it's okay na hindi na lang niya ako maging anak. At least masaya ako, tsaka totoo ko sa sarili.
Diba?
Nakakayak yung interview na to.
Umiyak. Ayan, so thank you for that, Yuri.
Thank
Okay,
you so much.
last one would be, what is your message to our allies and to the entire LGBTQIA+ community since it's Pride Month?
Ayan, first of all, happy Pride. And then for the allies, thank you so much for supporting the queer people. Alam naman natin, ang dami mga homophobic.
Yeah.
So, yung meron lang support from people outside the community, sobrang laking ano na yun. And then for my fellow queer people, stay being true to yourself and always choose your own happiness.
Yes, love, laban.
Love, laban.
Yes, happy Pride once again.
Happy
Thank you so much,
Pride. Happy
Nuri.
Pride.
Thank you. Ayan. So this is once again your Kuya Ryan. This is JM Entertainment Exclusives. Bye! And before we continue our interviews with the fans and the BL admins, we are going to have a game prepared by JM Entertainment. And may mga prizes tayo, sponsored by the one and the only our friend, Ate Isay. Ayan, we'll show her to you guys later on her socials. Pwede kayo manghingi ng mga papremyo. Charot. Ayan, but our game will be hosted by one of the JM Entertainment hosts. I am here with...
Hi, Sawadika. This is Ken, your new host here at JM Entertainment Exclusive. Hello, welcome to another exciting segment of JM Entertainment Exclusive. This is Ken and we're here now at Thai BL Fest 3 happening here at Ayala Feliz. And today, sa game natin ay may makakasama tayong new host. So unexpected to. Please welcome our new host, Isay!
Hi!
Sawadika!
Sawadika, everyone! Welcome to Thai BL Fest Year 3 here at Ayala Malls Feliz.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am very excited for today at magpapalaro daw tayo.
Yes, our first game is Date or Pass! So tara! Tara!
Hello, Sawadi. Welcome here at the Thai BL Fest 3 here at Ayala Malls Feliz. I am Isai and
I'm Ken, and we're here with
Franny, Yuri, Luis.
so for today we will be playing Date or Pass. So madali lang to. Pipili ka lang kung sino i-date mo or sino yung ipapass mo.
Pwedeng lahat.
Yung magpapas kasi yung isa pinili ko, wala namang negative ano.
Wala
Kasi baka
naman.
makancel ako eh.
Wala.
Okay, go.
Luis, handa ka na ba sa ating game?
yes.
Lahat yan.
Yes! Okay. So first question, Luis. Pert or puwin?
Hindi niyo ako gagantuhin. Hindi niyo ako gagantuhin.
Date, puwin, passport.
Oh my God, ang hirap agad. Puwin. Date.
Puwin!
Siguro crush ko kasi sila both eh. Parang silang main bias ko.
Correct.
But, siguro ko i-date ko, mas nakikita kong i-date ko si Perth. Kasi feeling ko mas crush ko lang si Puwin.
Oh, okay, next. Net or TT?
Date, TT, pass, net.
Oh?
Oh my God. Date kay Net. Ay, hindi. Date kay Titi. Pass kay Net.
I-date ko si Net. Pero heavy crush ko si Titi. Pero mas tipo ko si Net.
Tawinan or Talay?
Si Tawinan, Mary, si Talipan.
Ay, may Mary!
Mary. Si Tawinan, date.
Tawinan or Talay?
Date kay si Tawinan.
Tawinan.
Okay. Okay, Gemini or si William?
Date, William, pass, Gemini.
Sorry, William, pass muna. Date kay Gemini.
Correct.
Mas gusto kong i-date sana si Gemini. Pero feeling ko mas makaka-vibes ko si William.
Sa kulit.
Yeah, sa kulit.
S or si Tata?
Bakit na ganyan yung choices nyo? Ang hirap.
Date, S, pass, Santa.
Tata.
Tata.
Date with S.
Ooh. Si Jung or si First?
Date, Jung, pass, first.
Oo. Feeling ko may intimidate ako kay Jong. May intimidate ako. Tapos feeling ko mas kalmado, mas namit ko si First ilang beses, mas kalmado siya. So parang first.
Date with Jung. Pangarap ko yan eh.
Parang ko din yun. Harit or si Tomas?
Nabaliw. Recently ko lang na-meet si Keng. Parang first time ko na-meet. And wala. Nakuha niya ako agad.
Tayong lahat
Keng,
naman.
take it on.
Grabe yung choices. Date with Keng. Pass, Thomas. Sorry.
May paglingon siya.
Oh, Harit or si Tomas?
Date, Keng, kiss, Thomas.
Wala sa choices! Maki or si Beaver? Sa wabi-sabi.
Beaver, date. Pass kay Maki.
Ooh. Curious ako sa personality ni Maki on a date. I'll choose Maki.
Maki or si Beaver? Oh! Ayan na nga.
Date, Beaver, pass, Maki.
Apo or Pon Marabit?
Pares, sexy.
Apo.
Pon!
Apo.
Pon!
Pon!
Tatayala.
Date, Apple, pass, Paul.
Saktan siya doon.
Date with Pond.
Okay.
Sa Pantuin, Manila.
Oh, stars.
Or Nanon.
Or Nanon.
Feeling ko, mati-challenge ako sa personality ni Nanon. Pero,
Or Nanon.
Baka mag-rela.
Nag-walkout siya. Or Nanon. Or Nanon.
Date with Pawat. My ultimate bayan.
Okay.
Pass it.
okay lang. Okay lang, kahit ma-challenge. Nanon.
Correct.
I love both of them. 100%. Pero feeling ko masusuko i-date si Nanon.
Date, pass, Nano.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you
so much, Yuri.
for joining us for today.
Ang hirap pero nakaka-fulfill ng fantasy.
Correct. Date with Ompawan.
Yeah.
Yes! Sana masaya ka sa game namin. Yes! Fantasy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is once again your Kuya Rai and we are still here at the Ayala Malls Feliz. And I am here with the man behind the Thai Entertainment Philippines and this wonderful event, the Thai BL Fest 3. And we're expecting for 4, 5, up to 100 and plus fun event. Sir Jared, sobrang congratulations once again sa successful event. And my question would be, ano sa tingin mo yung nangyari, sir? Kasi parang nag-times 3, times 4 yung crowd today.
Maybe talagang gusto talaga ng BL community na mag-gather ng mag-gather. And it started na parang konti lang kami ng 1, dumami ng 2, then ngayon na napakadami. Because everyone's seeing na masaya na you can share your BL fanboying, fangirling with someone na makakasigawan mo and makakasama mo sa community.
Yes. And I believe, Sir Jared, no, it's not just sharing you as a fan or sharing yung mga BL movies, BL series, no? It's also showing the diversity and the inclusion, di ba, na meron tayo. And Sir Jared, ano pa yung mga dapat abangan ng mga fans, especially ng mga event natin dito?
Provincial.
Wow, okay.
So we have Cebu this August, GL Fest and BL Fest. Sa Ayala Malls, Central Block.
Okay.
Cebu.
Ayan, so I believe we already had that before, no, yung mga provincial mga provincial events natin, and meron ulit sa future. And for sure, meron pang mga susunod na event, no, especially etong ganitong klaseng event din sa mga susunod pa na araw or sa mga susunod pa na buwan.
Meron po, abangan nyo na lang po sa page po.
Ayan, so once again, yung Thai Entertainment Philippines page, kapag gusto nyo pong makita yung mga ongoing or upcoming po na events, you can visit the page and also follow it as well. Sir Jared, last na, ano yung message mo sa mga ally and mga nasa part of the LGBTQIA+ community?
Stay strong and be proud of yourself.
Proud of yourself. Ayan. So once again, I am here with Sir Jared, the man behind the successful event of Thai BL Fest. Hindi ko na sasabihin na 3 kasi meron pa, di ba, meron pang mga numbers pa yan sa mga susunod na buwan and na taon. So once again, Sir Jared, congratulations and thank you for always inviting us here. So this is your Kuya Rai, and once again, this is Thai BL Fest 3 by Thai Entertainment Philippines. Bye! Thank you, sir. Thank you po. Sawadee Krap! Hello, fam. This is still your Kuya Rai, and I am here with... And
Lisa!
Yan, and this is, again, JM Exclusives. And the program is about to end. We are still here at the Ayala Malls Feliz, witnessing the Thai Entertainment Philippines Thai BL Fest 3. And we are saying goodbye. This isn't a goodbye, but we are plugging our future events. We are going to have a sit-down interviews with your favorite P-pop idols. Please follow JM Entertainment in all platforms. We have YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And also, we are saying thank you to Thai Philippines Entertainment for inviting us once again, Sir Jared. Maraming salamat po. Please, once again, follow us on our personal socials as well. Yes, diba? So again, ulitin natin, I am Kuya Rai.
I'm Ken.
I'm Lisa!
And this is JM Entertainment Exclusive!